Welcome to trevlyngh GH, and we're so happy to host you. My name is Trevor, and I'm your host for today. Today we are located at Airport West on a development which has 16 floors, over 119 units, a mix of studios, 1-bed, 2-bed, and 3-bed apartments. Also that we only have 3 apartments left. Now this developer has done 4 great projects in Accra right now, and we just want to show you what they've been able to do and what they've been able to achieve. Now, there is a nugget for this property, so stay tuned, stay around, and let us show you a few things that they've done so far. Another development from the same developer right now in Ridge, which is starting with studios at 99,000 USD for a studio apartment and onwards. 1 bedrooms at 160,000 USD, 2 bedrooms at 287 USD, and these are 94 square meters for the actual 2-bed. Amenities over here are endless. Check in the descriptions, or we'll put on the screen for you so you can see exactly what amenities are available over here. Now this, I tell you, is great location. Osu, Ridge, Leboni, all these places are all within 10-15 minutes drive away, and it's fantastic. So this is just to let you know that with this developer, they have over 6 developments so far in Accra. And do you want to be part of this? I think you do. So don't take time, just hit us up. Did I tell you that we've been working with this developer for the last 3 years? And in Ghana here, to do that with a company for 3 years as a real estate agent, it's very, very good. And it reassures you that you, the customer, will get what you're paying for. Right now, we're at another development of theirs, which has been totally completed in regards to being sold out. So we just wanted to show you what projects they have ongoing at the moment and projects that have been completed. So this is the development, guys, you've been waiting for. We are now in Airport residential location. 1 minute from the airport. You may ask, why the airport so important? Airport is the most developed area in Accra with business hubs, businesses, you've got restaurants, you have malls, you literally have everything. And this is ideal for entrepreneurs, frequent travelers, those wanting to be really close and central of Accra, and investors alike. Therefore, don't waste any time. Invest in this development with a starting price at 99,000 USD for a studio, 32 square meters plus, 1 bedroom starting at 135,000 USD or equivalent in Ghana cities, and you're looking at 38 square meters plus. Now, having said that, guys, what we're going to do is give you a real clinical finish on this. With 5,000 reservation, it secures it for you. The rest of the payment is spread over 42 months with actual no interest on that. Imagine that, guys, 42 months on those payments. That works out to be less than 3,000 a month for an ideal location property, and you can pay even 1,200 a month on some of the payments. So guys, without further ado, what do we want to do here? We want to look at the apartment and the development. This development offers you a sauna, a rooftop pool, a barbecue area, a concierge. You have so many amenities from pharmacies. What else do you have? Guys, you just name it, the development has it. And this is why it's so key, because you're actually looking at opportunities that your return on investment can be. And of course, you can always use it as well for yourself. So without further ado, guys, make sure you hit the notification button, make sure you subscribe, and make sure you check this development out. Development will be completed in 2028, so make sure you secure something for yourself. On that note, guys, take care of yourself and each other.